Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete your test orders from Shopify. So in Shopify, if you want to do a test order, you want to go to orders and you want to go to drafts. On drafts, this is your test order here, right? It's a draft. And if you want to delete this test order, you can click on this delete draft order and then delete. And now your draft order will be deleted, right? So I'm going to show you once more. You see, if I click on create draft order, I'm going to create a test order such as this. I'm going to click on browse. On browse, I'm going to add in my products like this. And you can see there's this UI that looks confusing like this. And you can see when I first make it like this, there's no delete button such as this. There's no delete button on the corner down there, right? Now, if you want to make the delete button appear, you need to click on save first, right? And note that if you want to do a draft order here, you need to create an order as well. But we need to have a plan to allow customers to check out and create orders. And right now we just have a normal plan here. And if we click on save and we can click on create order earlier, then the button for delete draft order will appear. So let's delete this again. Now I'm going to show you another method, which is bulk deleting. So I'm just going to I'm going to add in a couple of create order here. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to do another one, create order. I'm going to make the exact same one, although this one is gonna have 4 quantity. I'm gonna click on save. One more. And this time I'm gonna do same product. And this time the quantity will be 6, right? I'm gonna click on save. Great. Again, do note, you can't play mark as paid because you see, again, the plan. Right now we have a basic plan here. Well, basically it doesn't mean, it means that I'm not doing any plan here. So if you want to actually accept orders and do real test orders, you'll need a basic plan such as this that starts from $1 for the first month, but after that it'll be $19. Anyways, I'm gonna go back and on the drafts section here, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete. I'm going to click on this, click on this, click on this, and then we can click on the 3 dots here to delete the draft orders. If you have a lot, like if you have like hundreds, you can click on this one to select all of it to bulk delete it, right? Once you select the one that you want to delete, if you don't want to delete the 4, just unselect it like that. Just click on the 3 dots and then click on delete draft orders and then click on delete. And now they're all deleted.